Hi, in this video I will show you how to fold this origami bunny. So to start off, make sure that your paper has the white side up and fold horizontally and vertically. Now fold the bottom edge to the middle crease. And repeat on this side. Now turn the paper like this and fold this edge to the middle crease. Once you've done that, you can take the corner over here and put the corner in the middle. And make a crease right here. Repeat on the left side. Like this. Now open up the paper and make two diagonal creases here and here. Now make these valley folds right here to the middle. And now what we want to do is we want to take this diagonal crease and place your finger right here and just push the paper with your thumb like this. And repeat on the right side. So I will repeat it one more time. Your paper is like this. Put your finger here and just push the paper in this corner like this. Now we can flip these flaps to the other side like this. And now take this corner and fold it to the middle right here. Like this. You want to align this edge with the middle. Now repeat here. Now turn the model over. And we want to flip these flaps again to the other side. So just push it and make a crease right here. These two flaps will be the ear of the rabbit. Now flip the model over, and we want to fold a little tip down over here. Something like this. And now fold the whole model in half. Now grab these two flaps and shift them to form the ears. And it's up to your taste how much. I will do something like this. And make a fold right here. Now grab this flap and align this corner right here somewhere over here. And make a fold. Now we will make an inside reverse fold. So open up the bottom flap like this and pinch this crease and do the same thing here. And hold it like this and just do it like this. And now we've made the inside reverse fold. Now will come a tricky part. Open up the back right here. And you have to imagine a line from here to here. And then to this point right here, and this line must be a valley fold. So just grab the paper and try to make this try to make a point there and fold to the central crease like this. And now make a fold from this point to this point. Like this. Now close the model. Now the rabbit is almost finished. Now we only have to make the ears. And to make the ears, fold these two flaps down. Like this. And as you can see, there's a pocket here. Stick your finger in it. Like this. And repeat on the other side. And now your origami bunny is finished.